Hi, it's Lewis again. Apparently last episode, that tree was really blowing. It looks quite awesome in the background because you can see loads of it. Charlie, stop here. Charlie's really annoying. He does that in every episode. He's done that like 3 times now. Those leaves are really flapping about. But this time I'm really not going outside because my dad called down to me, don't go outside. So I'm not going outside. What? Oh, for God's sake, Charlie, go away. The clouds haven't really moved, actually. Last episode they were like that, weren't they? If you stay still, you can see them moving. You see them? I don't know what that thing is, though. It's like a leaf. And it goes into the bushes. That's weird. There it is. Is that a bee or something? No, maybe not. I don't know. Charlie, shut up. Sorry, it's my cat. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next episode. I've done like 4 in a row now. Anyway, bye.